Yeah, hi guys, I'm here with the first unboxing, assembly and quick test of the VEMDIA LiFePO4 100 ampere hours or 1280 watt hours LiFePO4 battery with 8000 plus cycles. So with these super high specs, it fits of course perfectly for RV, golf carts, home, solar installations, and also for some normal cars. The only thing which you have to know that such batteries in general, not only this brand, but in general, these lithium batteries, they have rather limited cranking power, which still could be a good fit for a 4-cylinder car, but maybe not for a V6, V8, something like that. But here in my case, I'm planning to use it for a trolling motor of a small boat, so that would be absolutely perfect. So let's take it out, see what we get. Comes with this nice handle here. Turn it around, and so when we turn it to the side, we can find some information down here. Try to focus, you can read that if you want, but now put it back like that. And there's just a little bit of preparation needed, so of course we have to remove this protection here. Really good idea that it's protected because we have so much power here. But very important to know that even though it looks almost like a normal lead acid battery, where we don't have a battery management built in, here we have a very advanced battery management built in with cell voltage, self-balance, short circuit protection, high and low temperature, cut off, overcharge protection, over current protection, and over discharge protection. And so there's not a lot of preparation needed. Basically, we have to add the M8 standard size terminals here on top. Here the one for the minus pole. What I like is that we have hex and Phillips support. So we can also use a screwdriver. Same thing here. And we have the caps here for nice protection if you like, but you can easily remove them. Nominal voltage is 12.8 volts. So let's see what we have here. Without using anything, we are at 13.2 volts. But of course, more important to see what's happening when we are really using the power. And for that, we have this battery tester. So let's start pulling here a little bit of power, of course not extreme. So we are here at 37, 40 watts, a little bit above 50 watts, around 100 watts and close to 150 watts, which is the maximum which I can pull here with this tester. That brings the voltage of course a little bit down, but it's still steady at 12 volts, which is definitely good. Absolutely nothing to complain. When we want to search the sweet spot here for 12.8 volts, then it's a little bit above 30 watts. Here in the front we have some important information about charge voltage. So we should charge between 14.2 and 14.6 volt. Charge current 5 to 50 amps. So I've set my charger to 14.5 volts and 10 amps. And so let's start and see what's going to happen. Can see voltage going a little bit up here, and when we wait you can see it's slightly increasing the voltage, still charging at full 10 amps, but of course over time it would reduce charging speed automatically thanks to the built-in battery management system. It's not controlled by the charger itself, it's actually controlled by the battery itself. So that's super easy and doesn't even require a dedicated charger because the BMS protects the battery itself and slows the charge when it's getting full. And so I've put everything into the garage because the charger has a loud fan, and so you can see a couple of hours later the charge has completely stopped at 14.5 volts. And so since a couple of days we are using this battery now on our 17 feet Carolina skiff to power our new trolling motor, and it works absolutely awesome, super reliable. The controller of the trolling motor is also nicely detecting and checking the voltage of the battery, so I have full control. I love these batteries. It's a huge upgrade to normal lead acid batteries for most of the things. Yeah, I would say so far full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.